Now let's invite Urmila ma'am to continue with the program.
Thank you, Yashashwini. Good evening, all parents. Hope you're all having a great time watching the performances. We still have some more coming up. But before that, I would like to invite Vani ma'am and Kishore sir for PP1 award ceremony. Sir, ma'am, please come on to the stage. The best Batkama goes to Aditya Sri, PP1. The best Parvati attire goes to Purvika. The best Krishna goes to Manish. The best Parvati attire Purvika. The best storytelling goes to Srinitya. More attentive goes to Varshita. Dear parents, please applaud our children. Dear parents, please encourage our children. In academics, the gold medal goes to Gahana. Next for Kartikeya. Good handwriting goes to Siddhartha. Neatness goes to Likita Priya. Good conduct goes to Shreyansh. Attendance goes to Prabhanjan. All-rounder goes to Mokshita. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
That was really a delightful show. Now let's welcome our birthday students for their dance performance.
Nimda Zingenim Simba Simba Repose.
raha kiliki pipi filifi jivla kroiki unodu nomu o chao damba damba bugo kiliki baha kiliki raha kiliki pipi filifi jivla kroiki unodu nomu o chao damba damba bugo kiliki tire hufu win kle bahas nudu win ta pashte daru win kle kili ke burdu zaba baha muwa mruksa baha kimaro maro maro kimaro maro maro kimaro kili kimaro maro maro kili ke kimaro maro maro kimaro maro maro kimaro kili kimaro maro maro kili ke
Cruel pues
Sexy kiliki duli kiliki pipi filifi zula damuki febo simbo veno reno damba damba bugo kiliki Sexy kiliki duli kiliki pipi filifi zula damuki febo simbo veno reno damba damba bugo kiliki Oik wake kawe, hook oik rute, hook oik tore. Zabaha, moa mrutsa baha. Kimaro, maro, kimaro, kili kimaro, maro, kili ki. Kimaro, maro, kimaro, kili kimaro, maro, kili ki.
మరొక్కసారి చూడు
An awesome performance from our first grade friends. Yes, really it is. Now I welcome Annapurna ma'am to take over the dais.
Thank you, Ronit and Yashashwini. Good evening, parents. Hope you are all having a great time and enjoying the show. Every step a child takes is very important. They come to this world pampered by everyone, and once suddenly they enter the beautiful world called school. They grow step by step from nursery to PP2. This is crucial stage as she or he graduates from pre-primary to primary. I take this opportunity to call upon Vani ma'am and Kishore sir for PP2 graduation ceremony. Please, parents, they are taking the graduation ceremony. Please. And Gautam Naik. Next, I call upon Chetan. Gautam Nayak, Chetan, Trishang, Lakshit, Ronit Pradhan, Manikant, Simon Ashrit, B. Aparna, Apurva, Hari Rishika, Ishita, Sadia, Hari Rishika, Afsan, Sai Jishnika, Geya Gayatri, Alina, Pooja Sri, Now PP2 award ceremony. For cultural activities, for Ganesh Chaturthi, Lakshit. For Best Independence Day costume goes to Alina. Next, the Best Krishna award goes to Bhargav. And Best Gopika award goes to Aparna.
Let's rock.
And the academics from storytelling goes to Ravi Teja. And more spontaneous award goes to Ishita. Ishita. And next academics best goes to Surya Praneeth and Sadia. And good handwriting award goes to Anvit Reddy. And the best neatness award goes to Adish. And good conduct goes to Manikan. And for best attendance award goes to Ronit. And the finally all-rounder award goes to Gautam.
Let's rock.
Ronik, I have one more performance coming up from our first grade friends. Oh, really? What are you waiting? So let's welcome on them stage.
Yeah.